welcome to Electrofan. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new content every week. In this video, we are going to show you quick unboxing of Redmi Note 6 Pro. The complete unboxing is done on our website www.electrofan.co.in. The link will be mentioned in the description below. So let's get started. So here we are done with the quick unboxing of Redmi Note 6 Pro. Looks amazing. Make sure you watch the complete blog of it, or you can say the complete unboxing of it on our website mentioned in the description below. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.